Welcome friends. So today we are going to create a project, a service project through CJ20N. So we have to click on project, F4, then start value. So if we want to find next available number, we have to click on the binoculars. The system shows 005 is available. So our project profile is service project. Then enter the project name SAP implementation. Now person responsible, applicant, start date 31st/3/22. Now change the company code area as per your company, plant, currency. Now go to WBS element overview. So we are going to copy over here $00425. Sorry, my mistake. I copied some. So we have to copy the whole data. Copy. So it get copied from to till 204. So now we have to copy here. Go live support. So this is also so here what we assumption take, like there is a FICO consultant, MM consultant, SD consultant, PS consultant. So the cost is going to be charged module wise. That's why I prepare the WBS like I have one project, SAP implementation project, and these are the phases: blueprint, fit gap analysis, UAT, realization, go live support, and all consultants are different. So that's why there is a cost on a different consultant. So that's why I mentioned the three WBS level. Now save. SAP implementation, just open it, blueprint. So first of all, I need to change one thing. Okay, we will change it through graphical method, go live support. Now click on that and see hierarchical graphics. Now these are the account element and these are the planning element, not an actual element. We don't want to book any actual invoice on WBS second level. These are on planning. So you can change over here also. And this is not for actual. This is a billing and plan. Then back and save. So this is the project which created. One thing I have to change over there, control and the status profile. There is some issue in that profile, so I am going to change that one. Now we are going to update the budget CJ30. Original budget Now suppose I take this activity as a like in May we are going to complete this activity, so I am going to allocate budget. This is bottom to up. I am just going to mention that every activity how much budget they are going to take. This is a blueprint phase. Edit total up. See, if I do total up, then this amount goes up to project level also. Then save. Now we have to release created budget blueprint edit status release. Now our blueprint phases get released. Now we can mention activity also. But before that we have to create a network. Go to network, then change the plan code. Then we can set the priority also. What is the priority of that network? Scheduling type forward. Planner is not required. So double click to go. So now we are going to create a activity internal. Finalization of blueprint. Calculation maintain manually. Receiver category not allowed by settlement. No issues, we'll take care later on. Start date must be start on and must be finished on. Assignment no need, user field no need, just save it. Changes have been made. Now we are going to input one actual entry. Now let's see how tolerance limit get work, because we assign the budget of rupees 50,000 only, and we are going to post fit gap analysis blueprint. So blueprint Pico. That now post. See, now system get error that my budget is get exceed. Now if I suppose going to assign 40,000 in it, now system should give me a warning. %, because that is a correct 80%. That's why it's not give the warning. That's why it's not give. If it go exceed the 80%, then it will show me a warning. So suppose now I am going to post one more document in the same of rupees 2,000, because my 80% budget already been exceed. WBS element back, due date, back, then post. See, system show warning that item 001 WBS element budget almost exhausted, but it cannot stop me. Okay, now let's see the budget versus actual reports. Information, financial, cost, revenue, estimate. I just copy this report from my data. So this is budget, actual and variance. Let us check. Database profile, standard structure, go. In DB profile, we can select what we see. This is what we want to include: sale document, WBS element, including hierarchy. If we want to remove it, and if we want to see, so then we have to go. See, this is how system show. Overall budget is 2 lakh and 42,000 already used and 158,000 is balance. If we go with the like that, WBS element wise, see, this is the FICO, allocated budget is 50,000 and balance is 8. So this is a report for actual annual. Thank you.